Consider this problem. Work out 7/10 minus 1/4. We'll have a go at this on the next slide. The first step is to create a common denominator by looking for the lowest common multiple of the 10 and 4. We can find a multiple of 10 and 4 by multiplying the 10 by the 4 to give us 40, and we could go forward with this. However, the lowest common multiple is 20. 10 will divide into 20 twice, and 4 will divide into 20 5 times. So for this example, the lowest common denominator is 20. So let's take this information on to the next slide. We continue as follows. You can see that I've wrote down the lowest common multiple, which now becomes the common denominator for the two fractions. 10 divides into 20 twice, and then we multiply this 2 by the numerator, which is 7. We then bring the subtraction sign down. 4 divided into 20 goes 5 times, and then we multiply this by the numerator, which is 1. This will equal 2 times 7, which is 14, minus 5 times 1, which is 5, and all of this will be divided by 20. This will equal 14 minus 5, which is 9, and this will be divided by 20. So you can see we get 9/20. Therefore, 7/10 minus 1/4 equals 9/20.